Tommy, it's Lance. We got big problems. Come down here right away.
We have problems with the street kids. Where'd these people learn to drive? She's always giving me a hard time.
Hey, lady! You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kill me a Haitian. And then I'm going to make love like a man. You know that, Chica? Something like this.
Gross. Loser.
Hey, baby! I wouldn't touch you with a 10-foot pole. Humberto Romina, he likes the ladies, not some goat in a skirt. Tommy, I love you. I love you. Let's go.
Go where? Can I get a cup of coffee first?
No time for coffee. Besides, I just had one. We're gonna take out the Haitians. Tommy, how do you take out a snake? You bite him in the ass.
Whatever you say, Humberto.
Tommy, you go and get us a little Haitian car. When you get it, come back and pick up my boy, Pepe. And take them out to the Haitians. Then, you go around to the Haitians' processing plant, and you use their solvent as an explosive. Boom! Bye-bye!
Humberto, what about you?
I'm going to stay behind and watch over that cafe with Papa. He's not feeling so good, you know?
The last thing I needed was this. Maybe the last thing I needed was an enema, but this comes close.
Oye, let's go find our muchachos.
Get off me, asshole!
Hey, we need a Haitian gang car. Oye, let's go find our muchachos. Oye, let's go find our muchachos. You lost, man? Man, this is a nice part of town.
She's always giving me a hard time.
This place is a dump, man. No, they do nice pizzas here.
I am a pure doctor.
Whoa, man, you drive like a crazy bitch. You blur.
Hola, amigos. Oye, the solvent is around the back, amigo. Bueno, Haitian putas, muerte. Vamos.
Vamos indeed.
Follow my compadres.
I'm late.
Okay, in you go.
I will not
Go to
stop.
plant the bomb. Cover me.
Rotterdam, 19, West, interactive. Suspect on foot. Respond to a 1071, West, interactive.
Hey, man, that's not fair.
Respond to a 1090 West, interactive. There is a 1071 West, interactive.
Run!
You're gonna make me break. I will get you injured. Damn, buddy, you were a hot shit. Hey, pal, that's what you will get if you Easy. You got problems with the street kids. Forget about it.
Hey, how's the cafe?
Oh, wonderful. Incredible, Tommy. Incredible. No wimps, Tommy. Just real men. And the beautiful women. Anyway, I wanted to tell you, me and Papi, to us, you're Cuban. You have proved yourself, man. You got big cojones.
Well, thank you, Umberto. Nobody said that to me since I left jail. See you around.